Greetings and welcome to yarnspirations.com. I'm Mary Beth Temple from Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a look at the M1P, which stands for Make One Purlwise. While we're getting ready to go, consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the red box in the description box below, and that will give you first access to our brand new knit and crochet videos that come up every week. Anyway, I happen to be on a knit row, but you can make this stitch from either side, and it is an increase. So to make the Make One Purlwise, you're going to lift the top horizontal bar that you see onto your left-hand needle. This is, of course, provided that you're right-handed. You would go the other way if you were left-handed. And we're going to purl through that stitch, but we're going to do it through the back loop. And I know that nobody loves the back loop. However, if you don't purl through the back loop, you get a big giant hole, which is not what we're after. And so that's all there is to it. You can see how it works right into the work. So let's knit a couple stitches and catch up and try that again. Take the bar, the horizontal bar, lift it onto the left needle. Now, sometimes people don't like knitting or purling through the back loop because they're trying to do it way back here on the gauge part of the needle, and that can be really tight. If you push the stitch up towards the point, you have more room to work. Of course, this would work a lot better if I had my yarn in the front, but there you go. Okay. All right, just a couple more tries. 2, 3. Take that bar, lift it onto the left needle. You see this a lot in lace increases and other places where you just want that little texture of a purl stitch. Do it one more time and then you're on your own. Lift the topmost horizontal bar onto the left-hand needle and purl through the back loop. Thanks so much for joining us here on yarnspirations.com. I'm Mary Beth Temple. Click subscribe to get new tutorials in knitting, crocheting, and other yarny crafts every single week. Bye-bye.